Hello, I'm in a 2012 Kia Sorento, and today I'm going to show you how you would use your cruise control settings. So let's say we want to use your cruise control. This on button will activate it. So now these buttons are something that can work to control your cruise control. And you can turn this on or off while you're driving at any speed. So right now it's on, and then let's say we're going like 50 miles an hour and this is on. You can set the speed with this set right here by pushing this down. So now the car's going to try to maintain that 50 miles an hour that you have it set at. And now let's say you need to change speed suddenly and you hit the gas a little bit or the brake. That would in a soft reset turn it off, so your cruise control is still on, but it's no longer trying to hold speed at 50 miles an hour. So let's say you get it back to about 50 miles an hour, you can go to this resume by pushing up. And then while you're driving too, if you want to bump up the speed on your cruise control without having to use the pedals, you can push this up to add a little bit of speed, or this to lower the speed. And then when you're finished with that particular speed, you can hit cancel, and that'll clear out that particular speed you're trying to hold. And when you're completely done for your trip of using the cruise control, you can just turn it off with this button. And now, that said, once this is off, there won't be any indicator on here, and none of these buttons will do anything. So these buttons only work if this on is displayed here with cruise. But I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.